Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make kulfi.
For this recipe we'll use condensed milk and evaporated milk. By using this you can prepare it quickly in few easy steps. Stay tuned. These are the ingredients for kulfi. Here we'll use 3/4 can of condensed milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, 3 tablespoons of cool whipped cream, some grounded pistachio, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, and we'll use 4 slices of white bread. Now let's start the preparation. We'll add evaporated milk, condensed milk, three tablespoons of cold whipped cream, cardamom powder, and slices of bread. Okay, we will blend it now. Stir it in between so that everything is mixed properly. And blend it again. Our mixture is ready now. Now we'll add few pistachio at the bottom of the ice popsicles. And we'll add the mixture to it. We'll cover it and freeze it overnight. Our kulfi is ready now. You can enjoy it as a dessert after your meal. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more recipes and let us know your views in the comment section.